doing some documenting and checking names on lists that I didn't make. So that's kind of a different part of this job. So I have spray bottles.
Is a village over in Finland. It's actually a very famous village where they called him the White Neck, the most famous sniper of World War II. He was from Lucky. There's still an arms factory there. LAHT. And that was the first generation of Finn immigrants. That was very common for them to put their home village on their headstone.
These are my great-grandparents.
Just fascinated with the history. And I've only been in this area for like 6 years, and every time I drive by, I want to get up here, And I've been all over Acme, as little as I could go over there. The history just fascinating.
Just longing for a toothbrush.
Sure.
That would be the perfect tool.